4. So we're going to get our Spanish chicken casserole going in the oven. So the first thing you want to do for this one is get your Mexican rice cooked off. I just bought this Rice-A-Roni boxed rice. You can also just do plain white rice and flavor it up however you want. With turmeric, can give you a little bit of that yellow coloring. You can put salsa in your white rice if you like, or just buy a box of Spanish style or Mexican rice mix. So the first thing you want to do is get that cooking. Got a skillet here getting hot. I'm going to start searing off my chicken. I've got those marinated in olive oil, salt and pepper, cumin, and paprika. So I'm going to start by getting those browned off on both sides. And then I'll throw in my vegetables. I've got my onions here, Julienne. I've got my green peppers here, Julienne. Celery. I did a couple ribs of celery. If you don't want to purchase celery because we're not using it anywhere else in this bin, you can opt out of the celery. I've got some garlic. I'm going to throw that all in after the chicken's had a chance to kind of brown on both sides. And then I've got my salsa. Then I'm going to put in there to make my sauce. I'm going to assemble the casserole with the rice on the bottom, the chicken veggie salsa mix. And then, like I mentioned, I'm going to top it with the rest of that bag of shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm going to put it all in the bake. The only thing you want to make sure of is before you take it out of the oven that your chicken got cooked all the way through. Your rice should already be cooked and tender when you put it into bake. So just making sure that your chicken's all the way cooked through. You can even check that on the stove before you put it in the casserole. And then when it's going in the oven, all you're doing is just browning your cheese. All right, so let's get started on our rice and chicken. Right, so it's time to assemble our casserole. I got our Mexican rice here. I'm gonna layer that in. Now we're gonna put our chicken in. And also at the end, I did add in a little bit of water to this just so that the salsa wasn't so thick. We got the half bag of our cheese left over. I'm gonna get this in the oven to bake. And meanwhile, I'm gonna mix up salad, the other half of the iceberg, and I'm going to chop up some tomato to put on that as well. Julienne iceberg tomato salad. And then I'm going to make a salsa ranch salad dressing to put on top. And this one's complicated. You better write it down. You're going to add some salsa and some ranch. And that'll be your dressing for your salad. And then, of course, we've got our chips and our leftover salsa just to finish out the meal. That looks yummy. So this meal looks excellent. Hot Mom's Cantina right here, meal 4. So this one is bin 21. All right, so we started meal 1 with our grilled chicken pita. So we made the cucumber, tomato, onion salad. We made our hummus. And then we grilled off some chicken and we put that on the pita bread with the hummus, the grilled chicken, and the cucumber tomato salad. And then we just served that with some baked potato wedges. Meal 2, we moved into our Hungarian baked goulash. So we've got that casserole there of goulash, the hamburger and the tomato sauce, topped with cheddar cheese, breadcrumbs, baked till golden brown. And then we're going to serve that with a light salad, iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, whatever you have, just a little salad, light salad with that. Meal 3, we moved back to our Mediterranean style food. And we did the garlic sauteed shrimp and eggplant with the cucumber tomato salad, the hummus, and the pita bread. And if you happen to have any potato wedges left over from meal 1, of course, you could always reheat those and throw those out for meal 3. And then our last meal, meal 4, was that delicious Spanish chicken and rice casserole. Served with the chips, salsa, a little salad there as well with some salsa ranch on the side. Got that delicious casserole with the sauteed onions, green peppers, celery, chicken, salsa, Mexican rice. Smothered it in that shredded cheddar cheese and baked it. Some good stuff right there. Again, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my YouTube channel, become a member, hotmomsdinnerclub.com. Also, we've got our gift shop up and going We got some great gift ideas, clothing, merchandise, or just a membership itself. So some great gift ideas on top of just great items for you as well. HotMomsDinnerClub.com. Been 21. Thanks for joining me.